ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मैस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिहुतं भावातीतं गगनसदृशं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। We are taking the 9th stanza of 9th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्यन्ति धनञ्जयः उदासीनवदासीनमसक्तं तेषु कर्मसु। न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्यन्ति धनञ्जयः उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु। Dhananjaya, dear Arjun, teshu, them, karmasu, in known or in all activities. Asaktam, it means without attachment or without any desires. Cha means and. Udasin bat, like a neutralization or neutral in the nature. Asinam, it means stay. Mam, it means to me, Paramatma. Tani, it means those. Karmani, in activities or karmas. Na means not. Nibandhanti, it means never bound or never push in the death of birth cycle. Dear Arjun, in that all karmas, I stay without attachment and any without desire condition. That is called a sakshi. That the karmas never bound me. So my dear friends, in this stanza, the Parabrahma Paramatma Satchidananda, the master of millions of uncountable galaxies, Lord Krishna is telling about the karma's foundation not effect on both person. One is the God existence, second is those persons they are aware and enlightened in the God existence. The Sadguru Satchidananda Paramatma is telling that, my dear Arjun, my dear Dhananjaya, because you are the thing, you will be Dhanya, because you will be Jaya, you will be conquer the Maya. My dear Arjun, those the karmas or those the activities and actions which is the full of desires and full of inspiration of the object of the karmas, and the doer do that karma for the output So their karma can be bound of a doer. By the result of the karmas, the doer goes to the death and birth cycle because the karma's impression are accumulate inside of the micro body. But in the great saints or the enlightened persons or the masters or the real seekers and God, these are all never affected with the karmas, because the starting of the awareness is the detachment from karmas. Because the starting of awareness is the practice of the meditation. When we can not affect with any karmas, how we detach from all the karmas, how we do all the work without desire, how we do without attachment, everything in our life. So, the asakti rahit, it means there is nothing for our enjoyment. They are only our duties we are performing. But there is only and only one pleasant condition for us. That is we are living in the being of the God. We are living in the being of the existence. We are living in the total complete consciousness. We are living in the stage of the liberation. Then who is the entitled to get this condition? Only those persons. They have nothing interest in the worldly things, because they knows the all worldly things, they are unstable and things like a dream. So when a person knows the meaninglessness of worldly things, then he will become the udasina, he will become the neutralizer, he will become the separate from these all. Those of you, if you know that the meaning of this spiritual practice is not to make you an idle or the inactive person. The activity must be go on like as going in your dark stage, but after the enlightenment, after the knowing, after this knowledge, you will be do the work without attachment. Whether you was doing that work with attachment in previous life. So by the meditation, you will learn how to live separately in every doing. In this meditation, we learn how to do everything in the standing in existence, not standing in Maya. So we will not become the doer. We become only knower. We become only seer. The starting of this meditation, the Sadguru teach you how to become the seer only. Then after, the seeing become concentrated, and the concentration of the seeing go on every day high and high and absolutely. When the absolutely concentration, the absolutely seeing, the absolutely you are detaching, the absolutely you are standing in your inner place, and the outer periphery, the Maya work. The Maya work will not disturb. You will not affect the Maya's work. You will leave the Maya as it is, and you stand in your existence, the center of existence, that is your Atma. So, this word Udasin Bhat shows that you will live Udasin Bhat, but not actual Udasin. It means you will not leave the karmas, you will not hate the karmas, you will not disturb the karmas, and you will not become the karma's bitter stage. So karmas must be perfect. The show must be go on. But you become the seer of the show. You become the sakshi of the show. By this technique, by this manner, by this effect, by this living mode, the karmas will not bound you. As an elephant goes in the Lilliput, you know, the Lilliput, the city of the deaf person, the city of gut person. When they have no ropes, they have only threads we are using in the sewing, stitching. They want to catch that elephant by the threads. Then elephant broke down the threads very easily. So, the elephant of your enlightenment, the powerfulness of your enlightenment, the powerful of your awareness, the powerful of your knowing, they will break down the network of the Maya, and you will be stand as awareness. So the Krishna is telling this stanza, my dear Arjun, in that all karmas, from birth to death, my seeker stay without any attachment and without any desire. So when the God come on the earth, you cannot imagine what is the living stage of that God. You can't imagine about that, because that is a miraculous stage of equilibrium. God comes and God goes, but He is coming and He is going. That all are miracle, or all exception. The manufacture of His body is a very, very exceptional molecules. The molecules never found in these universes. The molecules are very miraculous. And when a person which is stand in the Sakshi meditation, you never believe that he is not only changed by the physical body, he is not only changed by the mental body or causal body, he is completely changed. Which person who is start the Sakshi practice at that time, maybe he is a wrong person, maybe he is not respected in the society, maybe that person many people do not like, but the same person, when he is awake and enlightened in the God existence, that person become the miraculous changes of transformation. So my dear friends, believe on the teachings of the Krishna, and you do the Sakshi meditation every day, and you see inside, and you feel inside, and you know inside, and you go inside, and you stay inside, and you will be take your own experience, you take your own peace, you take on own pleasure, then you will be say that Krishna is true and enlightened master is true. You will be experience this truth yourself by the Sakshi meditation, and you will be become after some month desireless, but not you become a depressed person. No. The desireless person and depressed person is quite different. The desireless person is going to awareness, and depressed person is going to madness. That is not the group of sad persons. This is the group of very pleasant persons. That is the group of joyful persons. That is the dancing Buddha. That is not idle Buddha. So my dear friend, you dance in the society, you dance in the family, you dance in the country, you do the work, you perform all your duty, but be stand in enlightenment. Thank you very much. This all the videos put on YouTube. Please subscribe and spread this teaching for all. Thank you very much.